Hey guys, it is Brent and I am in beautiful Tulum, Mexico. Can you believe this? I am at a mastermind retreat and it has been an absolute just game changer for my business and my life. So I'm so excited that I'm able to share this on this YouTube channel. So let me go back just a little bit. So when I was 20 years old, I read a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad. I'm sure you guys have read it. If you haven't, go read it now. But Rich Dad Poor Dad there's part of the book where it talked about his rich dad had his board of advisors coming into his house, like his accountant, his attorney, his insurance guy. And I thought to myself as a young man, wow, that seems so crazy. This seems like a boardroom. This seems like so foreign to me, but it sounded so cool. Like I had to have like really amazing personalities. I didn't know it was possible. I didn't know how to do that. And as I started getting into business, this idea kept going in my mind. How do you put together the mastermind? Then I read the book, Think and Grow Rich. And in that, it literally talked about how Henry Ford had a mastermind of people that knew everything that he didn't, right? He could call on them anytime so that his business could grow, so that he could shorten the learning cycle that it took for him to be able to achieve the goals that he had set for his business. And that is something that I think is so critical with this video. The message of this video is this: you need to invest in yourself. This mastermind costs a lot of money, but instantly through investing in myself, I have gotten access to the most incredible people around, right? The coaches of the coaches, the people that make hundreds of millions of dollars in land development, people that lend out private money. But the way that I got that was I was okay investing in myself. I'm telling you, you gotta find a mentor. If you are the 5 people, if you believe that you are the 5 people you spend the most time with, well, look in your business. Who are the 5 people that you're spending the most time with? And if you don't have a mentor, you need to invest in yourself and you need to get a mentor. I am telling you, it puts that person that's already done the things that you want to do, has already achieved the things that you want to achieve, that's already gone through all the failures so that you don't have to stand on or walk on every landmine that they went through. Get a mentor. It is so worth it. I don't care if it's me or if it's somebody else. Go with somebody that you feel passionate about. If it is me, make sure you definitely go to wholesalinginc.com/TTP. Scroll down there. Look at the video testimonials. Look at what people are doing. See if it's the right fit. If it is, sign up for a call there, okay? And you're gonna have a 30-minute conversation with people that know this business. They're absolutely phenomenal. And if it's the right fit for you, if it's the right fit for us, I'm gonna personally mentor you in the TTP program, because without talking to people, your business is dead. You don't have a business. You have to talk to new people every single day. Remember, wholesaling real estate is just the art of finding discounted properties. The best way to do that is to be proactive. The most profitable way to do that is to be proactive. So sign up for that, check it out. Even if you don't do it, just watch this YouTube channel, subscribe to it, comment to it. I respond to all these comments. It's not a robot, it's not somebody else, it is me responding to you. I love everybody that's interacting on this channel, and I hope someday that I'm spending time with you here in beautiful Tulum in this mastermind after doing some amazing business. So love you guys, I'll talk to you soon. See ya.